Welcome everyone. Second Autobot or Dinobot this week. It's amazing what I remember about these things. I got this one. I went to work with my mom when she was working at Vanderbilt Hospital. Administration, something or another. I was a kid. I didn't know what she actually did. And on her lunch break, she took me to Target and I bought this. That memory stuck with me, and I don't know why, but that's where I remember I got the Dinobot, and this is Slag, by the way. And I found the sword from Swoop yesterday, and it had Slag's sword with it. But that being said, let's see if I can remember how to get this guy transformed. I practiced on him a little bit. I did try him yesterday. It was pop his rib cage up, I think. And tuck his feet in, and they separate a little bit, and the tail goes back, and these will swing, those will swing, swing around, make his feet, and flip his head face jaw down, pop his one sticky hand. There he goes. And get his sword in place. And his hips are a little loose. They keep sliding back in together. But I do not have his info card or anything, so I don't know any of the personality traits or power levels or anything like that. But let's see. Here's another Dinobot doing a little cursory research on him. All the Dinobots were basically sourpusses, evidently. And to show the amount of detail I had when I was a kid, I put these two stickers on his feet perpendicular to each other for some reason. And that's something I would have done. I have no idea why. Also interesting, they had stickers for the bottom of his feet. That he'd be walking around in dinosaur form. But, sort of got the clear face where you can sort of see the inside. There's nothing in there that I can see. It's plastic form. It's sort of the same thing on his hips there. Nothing. I don't know why they put something here but not here, or if there was something there and I just lost it, which is entirely possible. But I don't think I'd lose both sides and keep two. But anyway, that Slag. I think Dinobot, not much more for me to say about him. It's cool. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because this is going to keep going for a while. And I've got a wide variety of toys: G.I. Joe's, Masters of the Universe, Star Wars, a few odds and those are my main ones, but I've got some odds and ends. I got a lot of Voltron stuff too for some reason. A lot more than I should have, considering there's only 3 real sets of them. But anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Catch you next time. Bye.